There was a time when I felt like I was stuck, unmotivated, constantly rushing and falling behind in life. But then something small changed everything. My mornings. This one change flipped my entire mindset, productivity, and confidence. Today, I'm sharing the exact morning routine that changed my life, and it can change yours too. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share what top performers like Tim Cook and Robin Sharma do before 6 a.m. The problem with most mornings? Let's be honest. Most of us wake up with our phones, check notifications, scroll social media, and already feel behind. No wonder we feel tired, unproductive, and scattered all day. I was the same, always feeling like I was surviving instead of thriving. Then I asked myself, what if I owned my morning instead of reacting to it? And that's when everything changed. The mindset shift. Win the morning, win the day. There's a reason successful people obsess over their mornings. The first 60 minutes after waking up are your most powerful. They set your focus, your energy, and your attitude. Robin Sharma calls it the victory hour. Navy SEALs call it the 5 a.m. rule. Billionaires like Tim Cook and Oprah Winfrey swear by early rising. Because when you control your morning, you control your life. My 6-step morning routine, 3:30 to 7. Here's the exact morning routine that changed my life. You don't need to copy it exactly, but start with at least 3 steps and watch what happens. Step 1. Wake up between 5 and 6 a.m. Not 8, not 9. You need quiet hours before the world starts buzzing. This time is for you, not emails or chaos. Step 2. Make your bed. Simple, right? But this tiny win tells your brain, I'm in control today. Step 3. Hydrate. Your brain is dehydrated after 7 to 8 hours. Drink a glass of water immediately. It improves mood and focus. Step 4. 10 minutes of silence or meditation. This is your mental reset. I use the 6-6-6 breathing method. 6 seconds inhale, 6 hold, 6 exhale. Step 5. Journal or gratitude. Writing. List 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your brain to positivity, and it's scientifically proven to reduce stress. Step 6. Move your body. Stretch, walk, or exercise. Not for weight loss, for energy. 10 minutes of light movement increases dopamine and clears mental fog. Optional bonus. Plan your top 3 priorities for the day. Don't start your day without knowing what matters most. Let me tell you about Hal Elrod, the author of The Miracle Morning. He was nearly killed in a car accident and was told he might never walk again. But he created a morning routine called SAVERS. Silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing. That routine helped him recover, build a business, write a best-selling book, and inspire millions. Or take Tim Cook, Apple's CEO. He wakes up at 3:45 a.m. to review emails and exercise before anyone else. Not because he has to, but because he chooses to start strong. Part 5. Emotional trigger. Imagine your new life, 8:30 to 9:30. Imagine waking up, not feeling overwhelmed, but excited. You're clear, you're calm, you're in charge. Your phone doesn't control you, you control your time. Every day you stack small wins, and over time, they build an unshakable confidence. Just imagine who you'll become 30 days from now, 6 months from now. If you start today, that's the power of a morning routine. 9:30 to 10:30. Start tomorrow. Don't wait for motivation, build momentum. And if you found this powerful, don't forget to like this video, comment, I own my mornings below, and share this with someone who needs it. And hey, day 3 of the challenge is going to be even deeper, where we'll break down how to build unbreakable discipline. Subscribe now, hit that bell, and I'll see you tomorrow, legend. Let's win the morning and win life.